Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last, how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen after moving out from this particular zone, the crude price continuously on the downside. If you look at this particular trend, and this is from the first week, we have seen it has already made this particular high, okay, and this resistance hit hard, and from there we have seen a bounce back and bounce back has come, and from there it is continuously moving down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is on a higher side, because as you can see a U pattern is forming here, okay, and a level of 76 is already a weak support, so chances are very high we can see it can move further down towards a level of around 74, and from there we can see it can move further down. This is the support which is already being tested here, so chances of moving further low is on a higher side. Before we move forward and explain you how the crude price can move in the next 2 days, if you at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. A swing has formed at this particular level. Okay, a strong support at $76.20. Okay, as you can see, this is same level where we have seen a support has come. So if the price comes close to $76, then chances are very high that it can move further low, because a level of around 75.58 is already being a weak, as of now, weak support. So chances will be very high that it can move further low, and a probability of touching a level of around 74.25 will be there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $70.85. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, now, or if this particular swing form at this zone and it move upside towards a level of $80.37 and to a level of around 82.37, because a level of 82 is already being tested here, so chances it can move towards a level of 83 and then further upside. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come towards a level of 78.79 and to a level of $77.88. Okay, and once the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $77.20. This $77.20 is a strong support. From there we can see a bounce back can come towards an upside. If the level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $75.61. Okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $74.48. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $70.63. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then chances are very high it can go towards a level of $68.59, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around 63.82. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then probability of moving further down will be there. Now look at this particular chart. There is a continuous downfall, descending order. After that, what we have seen, it tries to move upside, and now it is moving in this zone. Once this zone break downside, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, now probability will be very high. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, which is on our lesser chance, but suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of around 83 will be there, because as you can see that 82.41 is a support, which is a resistance, which is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of 83, and if that level sustain, then chances will be very high that it can go towards a level of around $84.45, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 85.36. Okay, and if the level sustain above that, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $88.53. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then a probability of touching $90.35 will be there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 93.97. 93.97 is a weak resistance, so chances will be very high it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 97 will be there if the price goes above this particular zone. Okay, and it can move further upside. Okay, now once the price move over level of 97, then chances of going towards 101.18 will be there, and once if it goes above that level, then you can see a trend for crude start move upside if the price move above level of 101.87 for the crude. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.